Now the device manager, you see, does not do discovery. Just like in Expert, you can't discover on a network, but it does do point discovery. So we have a device added here. We can now discover points, and you see success, and we can add points here, however you want. Skip points, use the control button, add points, you can use the shift button, so on and so forth. I'll just go ahead and drag those in, and you'll see numeric point, string point, enumeratable. Most of the points, if they're writable, come in writable. If they're just readable, then they'll come in readable. You notice they'll pretty much have facets and stuff already set. We try to make it as easy as possible and have everything labeled for you. So go ahead and click OK, and it'll take a minute to populate my points in, but you'll see our points here now are coming in. Here's my cooling temperature set point, heating occupied temperature set point, 270. Here's my device address. That matches up. That's good. So personality, VAV cooling only. So that's a cool thing to verify. And then from there, you can build out your, come over here and add your extensions or whatever else you want to put on it and get it going, and your graphics, and then you can start duplicating devices from there. But let's say I want to add a couple more devices, so I'm going to add a programmable device. I'm going to add one of those, and this is, we're going to call it AG1. And this is actually a 8540, and it is on the serial connection as well, and the address of it, I think, is 8540. I think it's just 8540. It might be 8541, but you see from there, if I got my device address correct, let's see what we got. Should be able to discover points, and there you go. Here's output 0, 1, 2, 3, and there is no program in this controller right now, so that's what you get. That's it. You can add points as you want. You notice there's different things in here: override sense and override status, if you want to look at different things. But schedules, inputs, so on and so forth. So you can, say we want to add our outputs, and then we want to add some of our inputs. Then you can set up your facets and all that here, make them writable, readable, whatever. And there you have it. So if you wanted to do a device on a TCP network, I don't have one currently, but it's pretty much the same thing. You would say, all right, whether it be a VAV, if it's a VAV device and it's coming through on an ASIC 3 9540, then you would just put in the IP address of the 9540. And then the device address is the device address of the VAV itself. Same thing, TCP or UDP, either one. Whatever you're communicating with, if it's an Etherlink, you would put the Etherlink address here. If it's a 9540, you put the 9540 address here, so on and so forth. And then, or device address of the actual device you're talking to. So, pretty simple there. And that's that. That's how you set up an ASI network.